there is some issue because look, the model actually gets loaded, but because of some reason, it is not allowing that. Okay, so let's just, that is most possibly the reason of Mac security aspects. So what I'm doing is I'm basically using the same code here, okay? And I'll save it. And there is a platform where I integrated my whole thing. And it is actually the Streamlit. Okay, so let's see if it loads here. Okay. Okay, I'll just go here. I'll just go here and reboot it. And this will possibly fix the issue. Okay. It's rebooting, no worries. So guys, if it works here, then in that case, it will also work in your Windows system, okay? Because in Windows, there is no issue of permission or accessibility. So if it works here, it will then work in your Windows or Linux environment. If you have in Linux laptop or Linux desktop, it will work there. It will work there as well. But let's see if it loads here or not. So everything so far is going fine, I guess. Yeah, everything so far is going fine. Okay, every library is set. Let's reload it again. Usually after reboot, your app is okay. App is in the oven. Okay, so now I guess everything is good. Okay, guys, it is actually working. Okay, fine. So it is actually working, and let's just try to run it as well and see if it works or not. This time I'll take this one. Okay, or I'll just take my own image this time. Okay, let's try another image. And I will try to use this dog on my image, and I'll see if it basically adds the style or not. Oh, sorry, I didn't load it. Okay. Okay, so far so good. So the style is being loaded. That means it is working. Now try it in your Windows systems or Linux. It doesn't matter. Okay, it will definitely work.